Good morning, students. Class 6th. Next topic is the international system of numeration. Before this, we discussed about the Hindu-Arabic system, and in Hindu-Arabic system, how we will write a number and how we pronounce the given number. Now, in the international system of numeration, from right hand side, the groups are, the first group is ones, and in this group the digits are read out as ones, tens and hundred. The second group is of thousand, and in this the fourth digit is read out as thousand, then 10,000 and then 100,000. Similarly, in the third group, that is of millions, so the seventh number digit from right hand side will be million, then 10 million and then 100 million. Similarly, the fourth group is of billions, and in the billions first will be billions, then 10 billions, then 100 billion, and the next fifth group is known as trillions. So the trillions, 10 trillions and then 100 trillions. So now in the international system of numeration, if any number is given, then how we will read out the number and how we will write down in the words form of that number. So let us suppose one number is 89169. So from right hand side, this number first read out as in ones group, ones, tens and 100. This is group ones. Then next is 1000, then 10,000. So this is these two digits are in the group of thousands. So this will be read out as 89,000, 89,169, 169. So if any given number which having maximum 5 digit, then in the Hindu-Arabic system as well as the international system of numeration, the number will be pronounced in the same way. But if the number having maximum 6 digit, then first 3 number will belongs to ones group and the next 3 digit will belongs to thousands group. So how we will read out this type number? So it will be ones, then tens, then it is 100, then it will be 1000, then 10,000 and then 100,000. So it will be read out as 678,000, 678,229. So from right hand side, after the every 3 digit we will put a comma, and in the group we will read out how ones, tens, 100, that is ones group, then 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, this is the group of 1000. So 678,229. In this way we will write the given number in words form in the international system of numeration. If let us suppose any given number having 7 digit, then the first 3 digit will belongs from ones group, then the next 3 digit will belongs from the next thousand group, and the next digit will belongs to millions group. So how we will read out again? Ones, tens, 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then 100,000 and then millions. So this is the 7,284,000, because this group belongs to 1000, or we can say these 3 digit belongs to 1000 group. So 7,284,000 284,458. So it will be read out as 284,458. And let us suppose the next number is 38493,452. So again, how we will read out this? So from count from right hand side, first 3 digit ones group, next 3 digit thousand group, next digit will be millions. So 38,493,452. In this way, in the international system of numeration, we write the number and write in the words form. So let us take some more example. The question number first, application part. How would you read each of the following numerals? From right hand side, first 3 digit are 0, then next 3 are 8, 6, 3, and the next one is 4. So from right hand side, first of all, we will see in this given number how many groups are there. So these first 3 digits are from right hand side belongs to ones group. So these will be read out as first, ones, tens and hundred. All 3 digits are 0. So it will be read out as 0. Now next 3 digit belongs to thousand group. So the next one is this digit 1000, then 10,000, then 100,000 and then millions. So it is 4,863,000. So how we will read out this? 4 millions 863,000 and 0, or without writing 0 we can write 4,863,000. This will be the correct pronunciation. Next one more number, let us suppose this one is 900, the next is 317 and the next one is 56. So from right hand side, this is the ones group, ones, tens, 100. So it is 900, then 1000, then 10,000, then 100,000. So 317,900 and then millions, then 10 million. So it will be read out as 56 million 317,900. So it will be read out as second one is 56,317,900. So we will write as 56 million 56 millions 17,000, because these 3 digit belongs to thousand group. 1000 and 900. So this one is the next digit. Let us suppose one more example, that is 965. These are from ones group. Then next 20, 2, then 784. So it will be 487 millions 200,965. So this one is about the international system of numeration. So hope you like this one. The next topic is Roman number. Next one, Roman numerals. There are 7 basic Roman numeral. So how we will write these basic 7 Roman number, and what will be their symbol and meaning? So let us make one table. First, symbol, or we can say a Roman symbol, and the second one is meaning. So make a chart. The basic 7 Roman number and their meaning. First one, the symbol is represented by I and the meaning is 1. Then second one is we write as V and the meaning is 5. The next one is we represent by capital X and the meaning is 10. Then the next one is represented by capital L and the meaning is 50. The next one is capital C and the meaning is 100. Similarly, the next one is capital D and meaning is 500. And the next one is capital M and the meaning is 1000. So these are the basic 7 Roman symbol, and in Hindu-Arabic system, the meaning of these basic 5 Roman symbols are: I is represented by 1, V is represented by 5, X represented 10, L represent to the 50, C represent the 100, D represent the 500, and M represent the 1000. Now, out of these Roman symbols, if these symbols are written in the groups and if the smaller one is in the left, then how we will write in meaning form, and the larger one is in the right side. So for these there are some basic rules. So the first rule is rule first. When a letter is used more than once, we add its value each time. So this is the first rule. When a letter is used more than once, we add its value each time to get the number. So this is the first rule. So for example, let us suppose the symbol I is repeated 3 times. Then the times in which that symbol or letter is repeated, it will be added. So I represent 1 and it is repeating 3 times. So it will be added 3 times. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be equals to 3. Similarly, let us suppose x is repeated 3 times and here x represent the number 10. So it will be equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is equals to 30. Similarly, let us suppose C is repeated 2 times and C represent always 100. So it will be 100 plus 100, that is equals to 200. So in Hindu Arabic system, if the number is given 200 and if we have to write in Roman symbol, then it will be written as CC. Similarly, if M is repeated 2 times, then it will be equals to, because M is represent the 1000, so 1000 plus 1000, it will be equals to 2000. So the first rule, when any Roman letter is repeated more than 2 or 2 times, then for its value each time it will be added. The next rule is when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of larger value, its value get added to the value of larger symbol. So second rule, when a symbol of smaller value, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of larger value, its value gets added. Means, for example, the Roman symbol is VI. Here if we observe, to the right to V represent always 5, I represent always 1. So here I is written to the right side of this larger value, or we can say the value of I is smaller than the value of V, and the smaller value symbol is written in the right side to the larger, so it will be added to the larger number, that is 5 plus 1, so it will always represent 6. Similarly, let us suppose xi is written, here I is the smaller value and x is larger value, and the smaller value symbol is written in the right side to the larger value. So if smaller is written in the right side, then it will be added to the larger. So it will represent 10 plus 1, that is 11. Similarly, if we have the number triple x VII. We know that VII is always represent a number 7 and triple x represent the number 30. So the value of triple x is larger than the value of 7, and here the symbol VII is written in the right side to the larger value symbol. So therefore this value will be added to the larger. So 30 plus 7, it will be equals to 37. So the second rule is, in Roman number, if the smaller value symbol is written in the right side to the larger value symbol, then the exact value of that number will be, the larger value will be added to the smaller value. The next rule is, the just reverse of this rule. The third rule is, when a Roman symbol whose value is smaller than the larger, and if it is written to the left side to the larger, then its value will be reduced. So rule 3, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of larger value, the smaller value is subtracted from larger. For example, if we have the given number IV, here we represent 5 and I represent always 1. So I having the smaller value and V having the larger value, and here I is written to the left to the larger. So the total value of this IV will be equals to 5 minus 1, that equals to 4. Similarly, let us suppose one number is XL. Here L represent 50 and X represent 10. So X has the smaller value and L has the larger value, and in written format X is written in left to the L. So total value will be equals to 50 minus 10, that is equals to 40. So in this way we discussed some basic laws of the Roman symbols and their values. So hope you like this video. In the next video we will do some more application. So please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you.